Hi, Dr. Sridhar Nansing, Assistant Professor, Department of Agronomics, the Thantar Mahavir College of Agriculture Science. Today we have going to discuss about the farming system components and its maintenance. Interaction between the components of the crops. First, in intensive cropping, crops are growing with the associated with intercropping or the sequential cropping. In a such a sequential, they are possibly to interact between the component crops. The interaction is mainly due to the response the special to the environment modified by the presence of the other species. Interaction may be the competitive or non-competitive or the complementary. Interaction in intercropping first is the light, second moisture and nutrient, allopathy and anidation. Light means that's the sunlight that's going to interact with the intercropping because firstly we know that what is the intercropping means we have growing the two or more than two crop in same piece of the land in a different interval is called the intercropping. So that firstly the interaction is the light because this is a different height we have going to the cultivate the crop. So first is the interaction is the light, second the moisture and nutrient. Means here the competition for the plant to plant is the moisture and second is the nutrient and thus is the allelopathy and anidation. Interaction in sequence cropping, competition for the light first one because we have go to the cultivate the different species of the crop, water, nutrient and it makes crop the community to does not the occur when sown crop are grown in sequence. Second, it occur only at relay cropping where there is the short spot or the overlapping between the two crops in the sequence and the relay experience is the shortage of light. Next, crops are the raised one after one other keep to the head occurs by the crop for the longer period. If the crop development is shown to such the solar radiations, that's the management of the intercropping system. So first is the seed bed preparation. This is a different variety application of the different fertilizer. This is the sowing method, which we have adopted different sowing method. Sowing water requirement, weed management, this is the pest and disease, and lastly harvest. Means every step is the this is the we have going to the manage the intercropping system. First is the seed bed preparation. Means before the sowing the crops, what we do according to the crops, we have going to the that's it, the prepare the seed bed. Means a different depth we have going to the digging the soil, and then after we have going to the sown the seeds. Means for the different size of the seed, the requirement is the different seed beds. Variety means we have going to the cultivate the the different variety in the the intercropping means the we have going to the take the long duration crops, yeah, long height of the crop, then we have take the short height, yeah, this is the short duration crop for the intercropping, and like this again, we have going to the cultivate the this is the maize crop, yeah, this is the sorghum. So we have going to the cultivate between the sorghum, yeah, this is the maize crop. We have going to take the green gram, yeah, black gram in a kharif seasons. Sowing. Sowing practices are thus slightly already there accumulated intercrops in a such way it is the occurs with the component on the base of the crop. Sowing of the base crop is the done I, either a period row. Periods wider row, yeah, skip row, yeah, plantation. The sowing of the base crop of the intercrop also done in a fixed ratio. In intercropping, what we do, we have going to the sow the seeds in a different intervals, different row intervals. Means this is the maize crop. I going to take the example of the this is a requirement is 40 to 50 centimeter. This is the row to row. Between the two row of the maize crop, we have going to the sown the this is the short duration crops. Next, this is the application of fertilizer. The amount of nutrient is present in the component graph indicate that the requirement of fertilizer for the intercropping system. The nutrient uptake is generally more than the intercropping system compared to the pure crop. When the legumes are associated with the cereal crop in intercropping systems, a portion of the nutrient requirement of the cereal are supplied by the legumes. Means we have going to apply the fertilizer of the different split dosage. Means this is the 50% fertilizer we have applied on the sowing time, and that's the remaining fertilizer we have going to the split dosage. Means one time we are going to the 25%, and second is the before the flowering we have applied the 25% of the fertilizers. Water requirement. Generally, we have going to the apply the irrigation. Means intercropping system are the generally recommended for the rainfall crop to get the stable yield. The total water used the intercropping system is the almost in the same for the sown crop, but yield are the increase. Thus, water is the use efficiency of intercropping is high than the sown crops. Means that is the we have going to cultivate the two more different crops, so that the a requirement is the different interval of the irrigation. In a sole crop, generally when you requirement of the say particularly one crop you have give the irrigation. But here we have going to show the say the two crops. So we have going to the manage the irrigations. Next is the weed management. Weed problem is the less in intercropping system, because we have going to the cultivate means between the two row of the crops, we two row of the lines we have do the intercropping, so that lots of weed will not go to the germinate it, because here is the competition of the crop to crop, not this is the crop to weed, so that this weed did not found the proper sunlight, moisture and nutrients, so that we are not going to the survive it. So intercropping, this is main benefit. We have easily do the weed management. In a sole crop, there's a lots of weed will come, but in a intercropping, this is the not weed will come. The higher plant population and complete over the soil either in intercropping system reduce the weed infestation. In late maturing crop that are the planted on the wide row, begins of the early nutrient crop help to the cover in vacant inter space and keep the weeds under the shade. Means in an intercropping, there's a lots of weed will not come, so that there's a not requirement in the more this is the herbicides for the controlling the weeds. Next is the pest and disease. Pest and disease management believed to the less in intercropping system with the crop diversify within the soil crops. Some plants in the cultivation may be the enhance the soil fungicides and antibiotics through the infection effect of the soil organic matter content. The spread of the disease in already by the means of the different crop. Little leaf of the brinjal is the less when the brinjal is sorted by the maize or sorghum. Thank you.